Single-use plastic cutlery and disposable wooden chopsticks not only harms the local environment but also causes global warming. Not surprisingly, disposable cutlery are a major source of deforestation and plastic pollution, and this problem has become increasingly prominent. Now, it's time to save and protect our environment. The age of disposable cutlery is over. Introducing our eco-friendly reusable cutlery made from titanium alloy. The style and the innovation of this product outshines any other traditional cutlery set.
Our product has been developed to bring no harm to the environment. They're safe to eat with, easy to clean, and very lightweight.
The main component of our cutlery is titanium alloy. Titanium is not only sleek in design, but also heat resistant and dishwasher safe. Titanium is both environmentally friendly and completely non-toxic. It is known for its strength and durability, whilst being incredibly lightweight. The unique squared end of our chopsticks is designed to make it easier to hold. It is less slippery than rounded counterparts, preventing your sticks from rolling around the edge of your dish. Our titanium cutlery set are long-lasting, non-corrosive, and last forever, while disposable cutlery can rot or break over time, especially when they've been used and washed multiple times.
According to Environmental Health Perspective, there are 45 billion pairs of wooden disposable chopsticks produced every year. This equals roughly 25 million trees lost annually.
Our goal is to provide you with the highest quality titanium cutlery, while helping the world achieve a greener future. The innovative design of our cutlery set casing has rubberized plugs for easy opening and takes up less space in your bag.
Our chopsticks are an essential utensil for campers and travelers or anyone looking to reduce their carbon footprint by not using single-use plastics or disposable chopsticks, so you can help yourself to another bite without worrying about your impact on the planet.
Disposable cutlery are not a sustainable choice. Now, you can carry your own eco-friendly reusable cutlery to anywhere you go. Our mission is to refresh the world and make a difference. The key to a greener planet is in your hands. Make a change now.